and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Severe storms with damaging winds are affecting 44 million people in the eastern United States, including Atlanta and Washington. Severe weather and damaging wind gusts hit about 44 million people across the eastern United States on Wednesday. This was after the powerful cold front moved across the Midwest and Ohio Valley on Tuesday and early Wednesday, leading to dozens of the tornado warnings and reports of the large hail. The severe weather threat stretched from the western slopes of the Appalachians to the Carolinas, mid-Atlantic and northeast as the powerful cold front advanced eastward. NOAA's Storm Prediction Center placed area of the northern Alabama and North Georgia, including Atlanta, northward through western New England in a level 1 out of 5 risk on its 5-point severe thunderstorm risk scale. This included several cities like Knoxville in Tennessee, Charlotte and Raleigh in the North Carolinas, Roanoke and Richmond in Virginia, Washington, Baltimore, Pittsburgh and Scranton in Pennsylvania, and Albany in the New York, and Burlington in Vermont. The main concern on Wednesday was heavy rain, although severe weather threat was still present. The National Weather Service had posted flood watches for the portions of the northern New York, Vermont, New Hampshire and most of the Maine. Wind advisories for the gusts of up to 50 miles per hour were in effect across the northeast and New England, and the high wind warnings were issued for the areas of the eastern Great Lakes in New York State. Northern coastal Maine and Cape Cod in the Massachusetts were also placed under the high wind warning in anticipation of the wind gust up to 60 miles per hour. Fortunately, there have been no reports of injuries from the destructive thunderstorms and likely tornadoes that hit the parts of Illinois, Ohio and Michigan. However, in Michigan's Henry County, the NWS confirmed that the tornado that ripped through the area on Tuesday was an EF1. In Calhoun County, the NWS confirmed that the storm that swept through the area pounded to EF2 tornado. The storm spotter near the Springfield, Ohio, reported a tornado that damaged several homes southeast of the town. In Dayton area, strong thunderstorms knocked a large tree into the home near the Huber Heights, and thunderstorms brought wind gusts to 60 miles per hour near the Springfield and 69 miles per hour in London, Ohio. Just east of Dayton, a possible tornado blew out glass at a shopping center with likely tornado caused tree damage nearby, according to the National Weather Service storm reports. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.